Hello, and welcome to this Business Relief Program informational video presented by the Wyoming Business Council. In this video, we will discuss how applicants may voluntarily return funds and the steps audited applicants must follow to provide audit documentation. Begin by logging into the application portal by navigating to wyobizrelief.org and clicking Access Your BRP account. You will log into your account using the credentials previously created. If you have forgotten your password, you may click the Reset Password link below the Login button to initiate the reset process. Once you are logged in, click on the View or Edit Applications link on the navigation bar, then select the relevant business from this list. Most applicants will have only one business listed in this space, but if you applied under multiple businesses, it is important you select the appropriate entity from this list so our records are accurate. Once the business profile has loaded, you will see a series of tabs near the upper portion of the page labeled Voluntary Returns, Audit, and Reports. We'll discuss each section in detail, beginning with the first tab, Voluntary Returns. We recognize that 2020 has been anything but predictable, and it is possible some businesses have received funds they no longer need. Businesses may also wish to avoid being audited and can opt out of the audit process by voluntarily returning all funds received. If you wish to voluntarily return funds, begin by clicking the Next button to begin the process. The following page will show the amount of funding this business has received from each fund and allows the business to specify which dollars they are returning. In some cases, businesses may wish to specify why they have chosen to return the funds, and those comments may be entered in the optional field provided near the bottom of the page. It is important to note this information cannot be edited once you have submitted it, so please double check all of your entries now before you proceed. The following page contains the standard certification language shown with each application. Clicking Next and signing your application with your signature and date signifies your acceptance of these terms. Once signed, the system will provide you with detailed instructions on the next steps, both on your screen as well as by email. It is important for you to follow these instructions exactly and within the timeline specified to ensure your return gets processed quickly. One final note on returning funds. Applicants wishing to opt out of the audit process must return funds prior to November 30th to be removed from the potential audit pool. The absolute last date for voluntary returns of funds is December 18th. Please keep these important dates in mind as you determine the best course of action for your situation. Next, we will discuss the process for uploading documents for audits, which may be completed under the Audits tab. To ensure the privacy and security of your confidential information, the Wyoming Business Council has created a specific portion of our application system for the audit documents for use by our auditors. While some of the information requested under the audit may be exactly the same as information you might have provided previously, all of the audit information must be uploaded to this location for the audits. Any applicant who does not provide all required audit documentation by Wednesday, November 25th will be required to return all funds received and may be subject to additional action. On the audit page, there is a list of required documentation each applicant must provide to complete the audits, with an additional list of documents required for agriculture fund recipients. Our system supports a wide variety of the most common file types for your uploads and will alert you if you attempt to upload an unsupported file. Document uploads cannot be completed from a mobile device. You must perform the upload steps using a desktop or laptop computer. Files may be uploaded one of two ways. You may click the Upload Files button, and that opens a box where you can browse to the files, or you can drag and drop files on the attachments box. Both methods accept upload of multiple files from a single folder, and it is not necessary to use both methods. You can simply pick whichever is most convenient for you. The system will show upload status as your documents move into our secure system and will provide a confirmation of successful uploads as well as notice of any failed uploads. No matter which method you choose, you are all done once all of the required documents have successfully uploaded. Some applicants may be contacted by our auditor, MHP, or by Business Council staff to provide additional information to complete your audit. If you receive such a request, you must upload that requested information via this secure portal. Documents submitted by email, fax, or any other method cannot be accepted. The final section is the Reports tab, which is where you will find additional information related to your application and audit. As an example, applicants required to return funds as a result of their audit would see an invoice under this tab. Applicants returning funds or applicants selected for audit are encouraged to check this section regularly for updates and other important information. We hope you found this video useful and remind you to visit yobizrelief.org for helpful FAQs and more. If you need additional assistance, please contact our Business Relief Program Technical Assistance line at 877-257-7844 or by email at wbc.brp@wyo.gov. You're also encouraged to follow the Wyoming Business Council on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you for watching.